Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recall mail in Outlook. Right, so this is the latest version of Outlook and there's a no older version of Outlook which is still available. Well, there are some of the changes which I'm going to show you. So for example, let's say this is a mail which I want to recall. You have to go to the sent item and here you will find your email, right? So I will just open it up. Now when I try to open it up, basically when I click on the three dots, you will not find any option where you can just recall it. Neither you will find any top bar where in the other videos those are in the old version of Outlook, but actually in reality Outlook have removed the take back or recall your email. But I have found a different solution which you can apply and it's definitely work. So basically, what's the reason that you want to recall your mail? Basically, it means that you don't want to send that email, right? So you can just delete that email from both of these sides. So what you have to do is just open your email, click on the three dots here, and here you will get option of customize action. So just click on here. Now here in the you will get option of delete. So just click on delete and click on save. Right, now what happened, you will see a delete icon here which you can just click on delete and basically it will get deleted from both of the side. If you want to undo means it will come back here. So what happens when you just delete any of the email, it will get deleted on the both the sides. So the feature of recall email or mail has Outlook has taken back. There's no such features called, and all the videos are false. They are just clickbaiting you. So make sure you just be aware of this stuff. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.